All right, Motofixr, let's talk about getting the grill off this 2012 Dodge Ram. I am actually doing some service to the truck on this right headlight because you can see the pool of water in it, so I'm going to get that fixed. But while I'm at it, let me show you guys how to get the grill off of the truck. I have already removed this top cap, which is a fabric plastic cap that covers the radiator support. There's just a set of clips that hold that in place. And to get the grill off, you have to remove these top 4 bolts. There's one bolt sitting here, one bolt sitting here, 3 and 4. Other than that, there's just a couple of clip bolts, or not bolts, but clips that hold this grill in place. You just push the bottom of the grill into these clip holes, and it holds the bottom of the grill in place with those 4 bolts on the top. All right, now you can see that white clip right there is the center clip at the back end of the bottom of the grill. And there are 2 other clips, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. If you look down in, you might be able to see them, but it should just unclip by pulling. Let's get that focused. By pulling straight out this way. Pull your grill straight out from the truck this way, and you should get that grill out. That's it, 4 bolts on the top and 3 clips on the bottom, and the grill is out.